What is a stock screener? A stock screener is a tool, usually found online or built into an investing platform, that helps you filter and search through thousands of shares using specific criteria. Instead of looking at every company one by one, you set the rules you care about, and the screener shows you only the shares that match. Think of it like an online shopping filter. If you only want to see shoes in your size, under £50 and in blue, you apply those filters and narrow down the options. Why does it matter? There are tens of thousands of listed companies around the world, and no one has the time to research them all. A stock screener saves time and helps you focus on investments that suit your goals. It also adds discipline to your investing because you're not just chasing headlines or hunches, you're applying consistent rules to find opportunities. Whether you're looking for high dividend yields, fast-growing technology firms, or undervalued companies, a screener makes it easier to narrow down the field. Here's a simple example. Suppose you want to find UK companies that pay a dividend yield of more than 4% and have a market value over £1 billion. Instead of reading through endless reports, you can enter these filters into a screener and it will instantly show you a short list of shares that fit. From there, you can research each one in more detail. What else should you know? There are different types of screeners. Fundamental screeners look at financial metrics like PE ratios, revenue growth, or dividend yield. Technical screeners focus on price charts, trading volume, and momentum signals. Some tools allow you to combine both approaches. Most investing platforms offer a basic screener, while financial websites like Yahoo Finance, TradingView, and Morningstar provide more advanced ones. Some cover only local markets, while others let you explore global exchanges. You can filter by things like share price, sector, analyst ratings, or even create custom strategies. It's important to remember, though, that a screener is just a starting point. Finding shares that meet your filters doesn't guarantee they're good investments. If you set too many strict rules, you might even filter out promising companies. Market conditions, company health, and future prospects all matter, so further research is always needed. To sum it all up, a stock screener is like a search engine for shares, letting you filter by the factors that matter to you. It saves time, reduces bias, and makes it easier to find opportunities, but it should be the first step in your research, not the last. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.